Hi, welcome to the Homeboys Alliance. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our website to get you ready to mint a Homeboy. So let's dive in. This is Audrey, our community vault. We wanted to be very transparent so you can watch the vault grow. How many cards are being borrowed from the vault? And this is where the amount that has been borrowed from the community vault. We also have the value of each blockchain coin currently worth from Ethereum to Matic. These are the steps to take to be able to mint a Homeboy. This is our roadmap to see our achievements and future goals. And this is where you will find our white paper. Here is our minting page where you can get yourself a Homeboy. You can click as many as you want. You can change the color of your screen. We recommend that you mint a bundle because our contract is 721A, which means that if you mint multiple NFTs, you will pay the same or similar gas as if you mint 2 or 8. So it's beneficial to mint multiple NFTs with current gas fees. Make sure your wallet is connected. If you click here, this is how you will be able to change from Ethereum blockchain or Polygon blockchain. When you click on the Explore icon, it will bring you to Digit where you will be able to see the Homeboy collection. Here you will be able to see your Homeboy NFT that you own. Thank you for watching, and let's buy some Homeboys and get ready to be part of something built to last.